This episode guides viewers through diagnosing a flickering laptop display caused by a loose LVDS cable and a tired backlight. It covers essential tools like a precision screwdriver set, spudger, multimeter, anti-static wrist strap, and a soft microfiber cloth. Step 1. Power down and unplug the laptop, then disconnect the battery and reseat the display cable, checking for bent pins. Step 2. Test the backlight supply with a multimeter while slowly flexing the panel to reveal loose connections, then replace the inverters if needed. If issues persist, the video explains reseating, cleaning contacts, and verifying BIOS and GPU driver settings to isolate hardware from software.